In today's video, I'm going to show you a 6-step process on how you can start a blog and make money. In fact, I use a similar process in building up my blogs and it has never disappointed. Welcome to Financial Creatives. My name is Alex, and if you're new to this channel and want to learn how to create more income and master your money, consider subscribing and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can receive a notification every time I publish a new video. If you want to create some extra income and you have chosen blogging as your only platform or the method that you're going to make that extra income and you have no idea where to start, I got you today because I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide on the processes and things that you need to consider, the red flags, the must-haves for any successful blogs. So stick with me up to the end of this video because I know it will be of value to you. I have started many blogs that have flopped in a big way. They never made any money for me, but in the process I've learned a few things that you should avoid and most of the things that you should implement to your blog so that it can be successful. The first thing that you need to consider before even launching, before anything else, is determining what niche you're going to be in. So what is the purpose of your blog? What is it that you want to pass to your readers? What is it that you want to change the world with? So blogging is all about passing value to the next person, to your reader. So you need to identify what niche you're going to dominate in. So this can be based on your passion. You can ask yourself some question like, what is it that I love? Do I love cooking? Then I can start a cooking blog. Do I love outdoor ventures? Then I can start an outdoor blog. So if you have a passion and you think it is monetizable, it's good you start a blog on that line. But sometimes we may not have even a passion. In that aspect, we need to look into things that can make us money. What is it that if you start today, it is easy to build a product on, it is easy to refer people to that, to something that can also add value to you because you'll be spending your time here. This is a business that you are starting and it has to have a return on your investment, which is time, money, and knowledge. So to make things easier for you, there are 3 broad categories that exist in any market. The first one is the money niche. The money niche is all about making money. This can include any financial blog if you want to talk about savings, investments, or you can consider how to make money. These are business niches, make money online blogs, all those. The second one is health. Your health is important. What products can make you healthy? These include supplement, health, medical niche, all those products that falls under this category. The next one is relationships. In the relationship category, you can think things like how to persuade people, the law of attraction, and many other things. The second thing that you need to consider when coming up with a niche is how broad is that niche. We want to start a business, remember. So you want to pick something that you can write 1,000 blog posts. It has to be broad enough to give you work for the next 10 years. So consider that. Once you have identified your niche idea, it is high time now you go to the next phase, which is keyword research. This is one of the most important steps of this process because if you get this step wrong, your blog is going to fail miserably. Some of my blogs that have failed was out of miscalculating this step of keyword research. Actually, I had no idea how important it is, and this led to a failure after failure. So I want to bridge that gap for you. What is keyword research? This is a process whereby you identify different phrases that people use while searching things online. Remember, if you're in a finance niche like I am in, you are likely to get things like how to save money, how to get out of debt, how to start making money online. Those are key phrases. These are the things that people search. So people don't care what you ate yesterday. People are not interested on where you went for a holiday. If nobody is searching for that keyword, please don't write about it. On the other hand, as much as people are not interested on those things, you also need to relate people by showing or exposing your life to them. They need to identify with you. So you can write things like how I manage my money, how I have managed to save X amount of money in 1 year. People will relate to you even if there's no fundamental keywords for that content. This is a relatable content that connects you with your readers. So keyword research is one of the most important phase in blog making. So you need to come up with at least 50 keywords to validate your idea. Remember, if you don't have extra keywords or as many keywords as possible, your first idea of the niche is going to fail. So you need to qualify your idea by developing a spreadsheet and researching at least 50 keywords that you can write about to develop as content to develop your blog. How do you do keyword research? I use different tools in this process. The first tool that I use is Google Autosuggest. It helps me identify things that people are searching online by just writing or start writing a keyword that I'm using, maybe how to save, then it will autocomplete for me. So this is important because Google is the main search engine and this is where you intend your blog to be ranking on. So by using this, Google is telling you that these are things that people are searching online and you should write about this. The next tool that I use is Ahrefs. So this tool is very exclusive and detailed. Although it's a paid tool, it's one of the best tools that you can implement in your keyword research. So those are the two methods that I use in keyword research: Google Autosuggest and Ahrefs. The third step in this process is now setting up the website. This is one of the most critical parts and most of us fear this step because we think it's technical and we have no technical basis on developing a website. But it's not technical. It's an easy process and I'm going to guide you through. Here's how I do it. The first thing that I do is coming up with a domain name. For example, I came up with financialcreatives.com, which was referenced to my to this YouTube channel. So this blog is related to my niche. My niche is all about finance and business, entrepreneurship. When you see that domain, financialcreatives.com, it is said some signals that this blog is all about those two things, finance and business, or something to do or related with money. So get that domain that is relatable to your niche or blog. Then this domain should be short and brandable. It is something that is sending signals of professionalism, of seriousness. To come up with a good domain name, I either think around the blog or the niche that I'm getting into, or I use a website called namemesh.com. I'll leave a link down below. This website gives you a variety of domain names. You just need to type the keyword for your niche, then it will populate so many domain names and you can actually easily get a domain from that website. So the next step under this domain choice is I head to archive.org or archive.org. This is where I vet my domain for to ensure that this domain has never been used by someone else and it's new. So this avoids me getting a domain that is spammy or it was dropped because of other different factors. I want to start a blog on a clean slate. So the domain name is the main, it is the heart of your blog. So you need to take all measures, vet your domain to ensure that it's clean, and before going to the next step. So the next thing that I do after now getting my domain is I register the domain and host it. So hosting is all about giving that domain a home to live in. So there are various hosting providers out there, but for myself I use SiteCrowd and Bluehost for my hosting. These hosting providers are reliable and they give good value for money, and it's really affordable. The next thing that I want to do is install WordPress. This is a content management system. It helps you in publishing your blog and doing other things that pertains to your blog. See, it manages your blog. It is a system. So once I install my WordPress, the next thing that I want to do is install a theme. So most of us use free themes, and I will not advocate you using a free theme because these themes are hackable. They don't have good user interface. If you want to create a good business and a good blog, a good looking blog, you need to buy a theme. So for the themes, I use a Kabado theme by Income School. This is a very light theme. It is mobile friendly, and also it is one of the fastest theme I know of. Actually, it gives a speed of 90 to 100 for my blogs. So it's the best. If you want to see that theme, check the link below and get it. The next thing that I want to do after installing my theme is installing all the necessary WordPress plugins so that my blog can run efficiently. So we are done with 3 steps. The first one, identify the niche. The second one, keyword research. And the third one, setting up the blog. Now we have a blog. It's running, but it lacks one thing: content. So the fourth step that I am going to give you, the step that I use is content creation. When it comes to content creation, as one of the most important phase in the blog development or in setting up a blog, you need to ensure that your content is of high quality. Actually, I advocate that you find a good writer. If you cannot write it by yourself, or you do it yourself, but ensure your quality is adhered to. Make sure it is informative enough. It's passing value to your reader, and this will give you a leverage in Google ranking because they will see, oh, your readers are really interacting with your content, so it must be good. So let's rank this blog above others so that it can provide more value to other people. So you need to create content that are 1500 words and above. So this is fundamental for Google rankings. And once you get your content right, it can be either product reviews, information content, or just content for fun. But write great content, and this will have a great return on investment for your blog. This is a continuous process. You not write 10 or 50 content then leave it there. You write content as long as that blog exists. So this is your day-to-day role. After this step, now we want to go to content promotion. That is the 5th step, content promotion. Now you have all this amazing content that is top-notch, but you'll hear crickets. Nobody's coming to your blog. Nobody's visiting your blog. This is because you're not promoting your content. This is also a necessary step. So how can you promote your content? You can use platforms like Pinterest. You can also use Instagram, Twitter, Facebook to promote your content. Let people know that, oh, I have this great content. Have a look at it. It might help you. So it drives people to your blog so that they can get that value. So at once Google starts identifying these signals, or people are visiting your blog, it will set that signals to its algorithm and rank your blog, rank your keywords top each and every day. Content promotion also has another facet, that includes things like search engine optimization. This include on-page and off-page SEO. On-page SEO include optimizing your blog for ranking. You want to optimize blog by writing great content, doing short URLs, having tags and also meta description, and also ensuring that your content is well formatted and also the CTR is great. That is on-page SEO. When we come to off-page SEO, these are things that you do to promote your site that are off your site. Things like you can do a blog commenting, you can do also forum commenting, you can also do other things like guest posting, you can also do active link building whereby you prospect for different links to your blog, and all these things will send signals to Google so that they can rank your site well. This is the manifest, the step number 6. So once I have gone through all the 5 steps and my blogs starts to get some traffic, it's time to monetize my blog. I use 2 methods to monetize my blog, but there are so many methods that you can use to monetize your blog once traffic starts flowing in. The first method that I use is placing ads on my website. I use platforms like AdSense, also Ezoic ads, and also I'm yet to get to Mediavine. It's one of the best with great returns, so I'm headed there to Mediavine. So you can use AdSense or Ezoic to place ads to your site and start making money. The second method that I use to monetize my blog is through Amazon affiliate marketing. So what I do is I do great content on product reviews, then I recommend those products, and if someone goes to Amazon and buy that product, I get a commission on that. So check out my video here on how I use Amazon affiliate marketing program to make money. Other methods of monetizing your blogs can include selling products via your blog. This can include things like physical products or informational products like an ebook. You can also develop an online course and sell it through your blog. Another thing that you can do is offer services through your blog. These can be services like coaching, freelance writing, and other services that you think you can be able to earn through providing value to other people. Now you have it, my 6-step process on developing an online blog and start making money from it. The first one being selecting a niche. The second one, keyword research. The third one, creating a website. The fourth one is content development. The fifth one is promoting the content. And the sixth one is monetizing your blog. So guys, it is possible to make money online through blogging, and all you need is to adhere to those 6 steps, create your blog, and succeed on online blogging. So I'll be making more videos on blogging, so be on the lookout, and also comment below on what areas do you want me to cover more. I'll also leave some links to some of my recommended service providers in this blogging business. Go ahead and share this blog with 1 or 2 of your friends so that they can also get this value and start changing their lives by creating some extra income and living a more fulfilling life. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly subscribe and don't forget to hit that notification bell. I want you to be receiving a notification every time I publish a new video. So until next time, take care.